Well, good afternoon, all my fans of oxcartracing. Today, I'm playing with the military truck with my 10-year-old son, Dakota. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We are putting this back in.
What is that? The blower motor.
Yeah, blower motor.
The heater blower motor. The reason why I'm not doing it is because I'm too big. It's basically what it is. So I'm playing assistant to my 10-year-old son. And he's just recently acquired a set of tools. So we're using his tools today.
Come on.
There's the ratchet. This is the rest of the kit. Grandma bought it for him for Christmas. And I figured out what the hell I'm putting to work. Cheap labor.
Money?
I said cheap labor. You got that thing tightened yet?
No!
Put it on there, tighten it up.
I know! Ow!
Quit looking at the camera, do your job. You all have probably seen the military truck before. But we're slowly getting it back in shape. He's playing with, I recently finished installing a new heater core, which you can see right there on the wall where those two hoses go on the wall down. Those two hoses, that hose and the hose below it, those two there. Part of the heater core assembly in this thing. It was cold. You done?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Fire it up. It's right there.
Mounted this component back in here. That bolt's not tight. Look, you all at home can see that that bolt's not tight. It's not against the metal. So, watch this. See, he's used to it. Come on!
That was bolted. I'm not too bad. It's done. It's done.
Alright, let's see if it's done. Okay, we'll turn the power on.
Oh, hold on.
What?
Got to connect it.
Plug the power up!
Okay.
Hey, it works. Still a little growly, but we don't care.